Bonjour. Today we are looking at how to say Bastille Day in French. How do the French refer to that special day in the French calendar in France? That's probably how you would translate literally Bastille Day in French. Fête de la Bastille, meaning the celebration or the fiesta or the party, if you wish, the commemoration, Fête de la Bastille. So that's one way of saying it. It's also officially referred to as the Fête nationale. So it's a public holiday. It's the celebration of French history, Fête nationale. And you also commonly refer to as simply the 14 juillet, which is July the 14th. That's the date, obviously. 14 juillet, or Fête nationale. Here's how a lot of people, let me bring this back up. Fête nationale, or Fête de la Bastille. Fête de la Bastille. Three different ways of saying Bastille Day in French. More videos for you here to learn more. Merci. Thanks for watching.